Namaskar everyone. Thank you for joining in. Good morning. Hopefully you are all ready for today's yoga practice. Just sit in comfortable position. Your
Good morning,
back and neck,
Namaste.
Atma Namaste. Your back and neck must be straight. You can sit in half Padmasana, Sukhasana, cross-legged, Vajrasana, in whatever position you are comfortable. Just sit in this position. Straight your back and neck. Roll up your shoulders and just relax your shoulders. Your palms must be in Gyan Mudra. In Gyan Mudra, your tip of the index finger and thumb tip to be touching to each other, and remaining three fingers would be free. Place it on your knees. It should not, your palms must not be like this. They must be resting on knees. Very nice. Take natural breathings. With that, I request everyone to switch on their video so that I can see you, and if somewhere we are going wrong, so we can correct you.
Yeah, it's a kind request to each and every one of you to please start on your videos so that entire team and Mamta can look at. If you are doing anything wrong, we can suggest you. Thank you.
Now from here, close your eyes slowly and gently. Keep taking natural breathing. With each inhalation, make prepare yourself today's yoga practice mentally and physically. With each exhalation, just relax yourself. Inhale. If any thoughts or worry are come to in your mind, let it go out. Inhale. With closed eyes, observe your body, how you are feeling right now. Observe each body parts and mentally make a note how you are feeling right now. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. Exhale. Make an intention while practicing yoga. I'll be aware about my body postures, my breathing. Exhale. Keep taking natural breathings. Just observe your body and your breathing. We'll start with 3 Om chantings and Gayatri mantra. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. We'll start with the Gayatri mantra as opening prayer. Take a deep breath. Om Bhurvasvaha Tatsaviturvarenyam Bhargo Devasya Dhimahi Dhiyo Yo Namo Prachodayat. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Your eyes will remain closed. Inhale and bring your palms beside your back, behind your back. Hold your right wrist with your left hand. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Exhale and bend forward. Try to touch floor with your forehead. Hold for a few seconds. Inhale and come up. Bring your palms in front of your eyes, your face. While looking at your palms, open your eyes slowly and gently. Now from here we'll start our yoga practice where we perform the asana, standing asana, sitting asanas, lying on the stomach and back. So we'll first start with, we have to warm up ourselves. So to warm up, just stand on your yoga mat. We'll do some warm up exercise. Just pretend that you are walking on your yoga mat. Slowly and gently. Then from here, bring your elbows next to your chest and then start running on your yoga mat at the same place. Your speed will get increased. Very nice. From here, place your palms on your waist. Then front and back movement. Very nice. Keep doing it. From here, right to left. Keep taking natural breathing. From here, jumping Jackson. Again, place your palms on your waist. Right to left. Slowly and gently. Now relax. Slowly and gently. And you can walk on your yoga mat. Take 3 natural breathings. Normalize your breathing system. Now from here, we'll start our practice. We perform the Utti Trikonasana. In Utti Trikonasana, have a look how to perform this asana. Then together we'll perform. Stand on right side of your yoga mat. From here, take a distance of 2-3 feet between your feet. Move your right foot to the 90 degree like this and left foot to the 30 degree. Now from here, bend your right side like this. Fingers must be well spread. You do not need to touch your feet as much as you can go down. And raise up your left hand above the head like this. Your left hand and right hand must be in line. Fingers must be well spread and your side must be in middle finger of the left palm like this. While practicing this, ensure your knees are soft. They should not be straight contracted. They must be soft. The people who having the knee issues, they can bend a little. Otherwise, remaining people can make a soft knees. Okay? So let's start together. You are standing at the right side of your yoga mat. From here, take a 2-3 feet distance gap between your feet. Turn your right and left foot to the 30 degrees. Very nice. Now bend at the right side. Very nice. Your fingers must be like this. Palms are open. Ensure your stomach must be square. It should not be collapsed. It should not be like this. It should be square like this. Okay. Fingers must be well spread. Look at the middle finger of your left palm. Very nice. Anyone having the cervical issue, they can look like this. Cervical, epilepsy or the vertigo issue, they can look like this. Otherwise, remaining people, just look at the middle finger of your left hand. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Very nice. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very nice. Keep doing as much as you can do. 8, 9, 10. If you are able to move this much, move that much only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30. And come up. From here, we'll go to the left side. Back 30 degree and left foot to the 90 degree. Okay, very nice. From here, now bend to the left side. Again, raise your right hand above your head and look at the middle finger of the right palm. Very nice. Your fingers must be well spreaded. Your hips must be square. It should not be collapsed like this. They must be square. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Come to your right side of your yoga mat. Very nice. Now from here, we'll perform the Parshva Parivat Trikonasana. Have a look how to perform, then together we'll do it. Again, take a 2-3 feet gap between your feet. Move your right foot to the 90 degree and left foot to the 30 degree. From here, we'll bend our right knee at 90 degree, like this. This angle must be at 90 degree. Your thigh, inner thigh must be parallel to floor. Okay. Now from here, the right leg, then right hand. The same hand and same leg. We'll place it beside to your right foot. Your fingers must be in line. Your hand finger and the toes must be in line. Now from here, we'll raise our left hand above the head. Fingers must be well spreaded. And we'll look at the middle finger of left thumb, like this. While practicing this, ensure your edge of the left feet are touching to the floor. Let's start together. This set of Vidyasana are very helpful to stronger our muscles, the toe muscle, the ankle muscle, the thigh muscles, and the entire leg muscles. To strengthen our the hips and spine muscles. So let's start together from here. Take a 2-3 feet gap. Very nice. Move your right foot to the 90 degree and left foot to the 30 degree. Bend your right knee at 90 degree. You can look, it should not be like this or like this. It must be at 90 degree. So check by your own. Then place your right palm beside your right foot and raisen up your left hand at 90. And look at the middle finger of your left palm. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here, we'll do practice same for the left side. Bend your left foot at 90 degree and right foot at 30 degree. From here, bend your left foot at 90 degree. Very nice. Left leg, left hand. Place your left palm beside your left feet. Rise your right palm above the head. Very nice. Fingers must be well spreaded. Look at the middle finger of the right hand. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your right feet must be straight. The knee must be straight. It should not be bended. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Again, come to the right side of your yoga mat. Now from here, we'll perform the Veerbhadrasana A. For the again Veerbhadrasana A, we have to take 2-3 feet gap between your feet. Have a look, then together we'll perform. Move your right feet to the 90 degree and left feet to the 30 degree. From here, again we'll bend our right feet at 90 degree. Thighs must be parallel to floor. Edge must be touching to the floor. Then your hips must be squarey. It should not be parallel. It should be squarey like this. Bring your palms together in front of your chest in Atmanjali Mudra, the Namaskar Mudra. From here, raise your hands like this. Your sight would be at some unmoving point and hold this posture. Your hands must be parallel to your ears. Okay? So let's start together. You guys are ready? Let's start together. Take a 2-3 feet gap between your feet. Move your right foot to the 90 degree, left foot to the 30 degree. From here, bend your right knee. Very nice at 90 degree. This thighs must be parallel to floor and this angle must be at 90 degree. Your hips must be squarey. Very nice. Your edge must be touching to the floor for the left feet. Bring your palms in Namaskar Mudra, Atmanjali Mudra, and from here, raise your hands above the head. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Breathing would be continue as normal. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, self-counting will be start. The people who are unable to do, they just practice with this. Don't raise their hands. They can just practice like this. But keep doing. As much as you can do, practice as much. This foot, your left, it should not be bended like this. Okay? This foot must be active. Very nice. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. We'll repeat same from the left leg. Move your right foot to the 30 degree, left foot to the 90 degree. Very nice. Bend your left foot to 90 degree. Your thighs must be parallel to floor. Your knees must be at 90 degree. Your hips must be squarey. Very nice. Bring your palms in Atmanjali Mudra. Very nice. And raise your hands above the head. 1, 2, very nice. Keep doing it. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4. If you are tired in between, just take 3 natural breathings and then join again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Take 3 natural breathings, or you can walk on your yoga mat like this. Interlock your fingers, then raise your hands above the head, and then walk on your toes. Like this. Take 2 rounds. Normalize your breathing. Now from here, we'll perform the Padottanasana. For this asana, we'll be standing like this. There would be shoulder length distance between your feet. From here, we'll place our hands on our waist and rise. We'll shift our entire body weight to the left side, left leg, and we'll rise our right foot. In this right foot, take a side look like this. Your thigh must be parallel to floor and feet must be at 90 degrees. We'll look at some unmoving point. Your breathing, this pelvic area must be tucked in and breathing from chest will be continued. Hold this position for 30 seconds. You guys are ready? Let's start together. Between your feet, keep a distance of shoulder length, not more this much, not this closer. Shoulder length distance between your feet. From here, shift your body weight to the left side. Place your palms on your waist and rise your right foot. Inner thigh must be parallel to floor like this and feet must be at 90 degrees. Your side must be at some unmoving point. Very nice. Breathing would be normal from pelvic area tucked in and chest breathing will continue. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. Hold for 20 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1. If you are tired, take 3 natural breathing, then again join it. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here, we'll practice for the left leg. Move your entire body weight to the right side. Very nice. Rise your left foot, left leg. From knee, it should be 90 degrees and thighs must be parallel to floor. Hold this posture. Pelvic area tucked in. Breathing from chest will continue. Your side must be at some unmoving point. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here, we perform these sitting asanas. You take 3 natural breathings, inhalation and exhalation, and sit on your yoga mat in Dandasana position. In Dandasana position, our feet must be together. Place your palms beside your buttocks like this. Your back must be straight. It should not be hunched or curved. It should be straight like this. So you sit in this posture. You can lean further if you are feeling tired like this, but your elbows must be straight. It should not be curved. Okay? And take a look for the next asana. For the next asana, Marityasana A. In the Marityasana A asana, we are sitting in this posture. We'll bend our right leg from the knee. We'll place our toes next to your, I'll perform from the left leg. We'll bend our left leg from knee. Toes are equal to your right knee. Between your right knee and your toes, left toes, the gap must be 1 fist. So you'll adjust your feet accordingly. Now from here, inhale and lengthen your spine and we'll turn from here. Before that, we'll perform the variation. For the variation, we place your right palm beside your buttock and give pressure to your this knee, left knee, like this. You can place your hand in this mudra, the Gyan mudra also. Your right foot must be active. While practicing this asana, again your breathing would be from chest, your pelvic area must be tucked in. Let's start together. Sit in Dandasana position. You are sitting in Dandasana position. Now from here, bend your right foot. Very nice. From knee. Your knee of the left foot and the right toes must be in line. The gap between right knee and toes must be 1 fist. So check that. Very nice. Your back must be straight. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Then place your right elbow to right knee. Give a little pressure and your left palm beside your buttock. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Very nice. 1, 2, 3, 4. Self-counting will start. This set of asanas are very good for lower abdominal part. If anyone having the digestive system or the digestive system related issue, it can be beneficial to them. Very nice. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mamta, you have to unmute yourself.
Now we'll repeat same from the left leg. Very nice. Between your toes and the right knee, the gap must be 1 fist. From here, place your right palm beside your buttock. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Very nice. Then give pressure like this. Your hand must be, your palms must be in Gyan Mudra. Your sight would be at your big toe. Your right foot must be active. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Again, you can sit in the Dandasana position. From the next asana, Marichasan B. In that asana, have a look, then together we'll perform. You must be sitting in the Vajrasana position. From here, we'll bend our right foot closer to your left knee. Your left knee and toes must be in line. From here, again, we inhale, lengthen our spine, and we'll wrap our right foot and hold with your left fingers, and we'll touch the knee of your left knee like this. We'll hold this posture for 30 seconds. So let's start together. Sit in the Vajrasana position. Now from here, bring your right ankle, right foot close to your left knee. Very nice. Between your left knee and your right, 1 fist. Inhale and lengthen your spine. Very nice. From here, wrap your right foot, right knee, and hold with your left fingers. Then touch your knee, left knee with your forehead. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. Breathing would be chest, pelvic area must be tucked in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Self-counting start. If anyone is unable to do this asana, they can place their hand beside your buttock and then give pressure to your right knee towards your left knee like this. Okay? Give pressure to your right knee towards left knee. Very nice. And hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Come up and we'll practice same from the left leg. Sit on the right heel and then bring your left foot parallel to your right knee. The gap between your toes and the right knee must be 1 foot, so adjust accordingly. Very nice. Then again inhale and rise up and hold this pose. And touch your forehead to your right knee. Hold this posture. 1, 2, self-counting, 30 seconds will start. The people who are unable to do, again, give pressure to your left knee towards your right knee. And your right hand must be beside your buttocks, like this. Okay? Keep practicing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Try to bend as much as you can. Very nice, as much as you can. If you are unable to touch knee, then no worries, just bend as much as you can. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, and relax. Now from here, sit in the Dandasana position. We'll perform the Naukasana. Okay, for the Naukasana, we'll bend further to the back side. We'll start with the variation. Have a look how to perform and together we'll do it. Meanwhile, you keep taking natural breathings. We'll bend our feet from legs from knees. We'll place our palms to the inner thigh and we'll rise our feet like this. By placing that, our back must be in line. It must be straight. Your sight must be on your big toes, like this. This is a variation. While practicing this, again your pelvic area must be tucked in and breathing would be chest from start. So let's start together. Bend your legs from knee. Very nice. Place your fingers in your inner thigh. Then bend a little further to back side. Then shift your body weight on your buttocks and rise your feet. Very nice. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Your sight must be on your big toe. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Your back must be straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 seconds more. Very nice. Keep doing it. Hold for 10 seconds more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And relax. Take natural breathings and have a look for the next asana, the final pose of the Botasana. In this posture, we'll straight our legs like this and hands must be parallel to floor. Your fingers must be well spreaded. Your entire body weight on your buttocks. Now you'll feel a little shivering on your belly, which is very good for health. So let's start together. Shift your entire body weight on your buttocks. Very nice. Straight your legs. Your fingers must be parallel to floor. Very nice. Your sight must be on your big toe. Hold this posture for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Very nice. The people self-counting start for 20 seconds. The people who are unable to do, they can practice with the previous asana. Hold this posture. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Your feet must be together. They should not get apart. Your feet must be together. Very nice. Hold for 10 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Your feet must be parallel to floor. And in the final pose, it must be like this. 5 seconds more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and relax. Take 3 natural breathings. And from here, we'll lie down on your yoga mat. Take a look for the next asana and you can sit. Then together we'll perform. Now from here, we'll do the Shubh-Sudarshan-asana. In this asana, we'll bend our knees. Knees are together, feet are touching to each other. Between your ankles and your fingers are touching to each other. From here, we'll interlock our fingers and we'll rest on our palms like this. From here, we'll bend our feet to the right side. Right knee is touching to the floor. And we'll drop our head to the left side. Let's start together. Bend your knees. While practicing this, place your palms below your head. Move your feet to the left side. Your knees are touching to the floor. Knees and thighs are touching to the floor. Now look at the right side. Your right elbow touching to the floor. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ensure your both feet are touching to each other. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Your elbows are also touching to the floor. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now we'll repeat same from the left side. We'll bend our feet to the right side. While touching the floor, your feet are together. Your right thigh and knees is on floor, and drop your head and neck to the left side. Look at your left elbow. While practicing this, your elbows and knees must be on floor. Hold this posture for 30 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2. Very nice. Keep holding. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and relax. Now from here, lie down on your yoga mat. Place your palms facing sky beside your body. Loosen up your body between your feet, shoulder length distance. You can drop your neck left or right side in position you are comfortable, or you can keep straight neck as well. Close your eyes and just relax yourself. Place your right palm on your stomach and your left palm on your chest area. Now we'll practice the abdominal breathing. In abdominal breathing, while inhalation, your stomach will get expanded, and while exhalation, it will shrink. There would be no movement for the left hand. Feel that you are breathing from your navel, so automatically while inhalation, your stomach will expand it will be full with the air. Exhalation, it will shrink. So let's start with the breathing. Inhale. Fill your entire stomach with your air. It must be expanded. Exhale and shrink it. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. With each inhalation and exhalation, observe how your stomach is expanding and getting shrink. Observe that moment. Now we'll hold our breathing. Inhale for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again inhale. Hold your breathing for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale and hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale, hold for 10 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Exhale. Hold for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Inhale and normal breathing. Your natural breathing will continue. Your hands must be on your stomach and chest only. Just keep observing your breathing. With each inhalation, feel the positive effect of today's yoga practice on your body parts. During the practice, if you felt any pain or got hurt, let it go out through your exhalation. Inhale and with closed eyes, look your body, see your body parts. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. Observe how you're feeling after the yoga practice. Exhale and relax yourself. Inhale. Exhale. The 3 Om chanting and closing prayer will end the session. Take a deep breath. Inhale. Inhale. In this entire world, all beings remain in peace. They keep loving each other and keep spreading love to each other. There would be no worries and no disabilities. With this intention, we'll do the Shanti part. Inhale. Om Shanti. 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 Rub your both the palms. Place the palms on your eyes, on your face. Take a turn to right side. Take one natural breathing. Take a support of your left hand and sit on your yoga mat. Thank you everyone. Have a beautiful day. आपका दिन मंगलमय रहे.